almost dropped the egg. What the fuck? Let's see. Not one seed. We're gonna put in the pancakes. Watermelon pancakes. First ever made in life. Yeah. That's outside. This is it's a chef. You grow a lot of watermelon where we're from. You actually get it for free. Seriously, when it's too hot, people like that sell the watermelon will give you watermelon for free. Take home. You know what I mean? Keep it real like that. Over here, when you're fucking thirsty, ain't nobody gonna give you shit in Canada. Fuck that. Maybe I will. Fuck that. We ain't giving you shit. Yeah, man. Where are we from? East Africa? Somalia? They hook you up, no jokes. I'll be out there, you know? My uncles, my aunties, and all that be selling things. I'll be grabbing like a lot of watermelon and like just giving them to the people. I'm not doing nothing. People that's thirsty, cut it up. I'm like, you know, go share. Share and scare and like it hurt. So that's how it is. You know? So yeah, part 2. Put that one. Okay, what else is in there? Ooh, a couple of them hiding in there. Let's get that out. Oh, it's all good now. Okay, guys. Chop it up like that, because you know why? When you chop it up like that, you don't need water. Right? Because we're going to put it in here. In the mix. In the pancake mix. So we don't need water in there. I'll give it to the birds.